Hey everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Tie the hairs on the sides, comb it properly. Now make the plaits by taking small section of the hairs, divide the hairs, tie all of them together like this and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs into two parts, tie them and then make the plaits on it. Fold it and fix it using the rubber bands and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, comb the hairs properly. Now divide them into small sections and tie it using the rubber bands. After that, on the back, we will take small sections from them and join them together like this. Watch the video till the end, follow each procedure and follow along with the steps. Join them like this, join all the hairs and it's ready. Next, we will comb the hairs properly like this, divide them into small sections, join them on the top. Now fix the ribbon on the sides and make the plaits to fix it. Fold it upward to make a bun and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take small section of the hairs like this, make the plaits, join them together. Now fix it on the sides by tying all the hairs together like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the hairs into small sections, join them one by one into each other like this using the rubber bands and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.